Today, in the period of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are crucial for the development of economies. Eventually, everything reduces to a sealed and exceptionally secure structure that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered state, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all killing the job of mediators, a consequence of hard and immaculate work. The outline of torrential slide, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell scientist Emin Gunsirer in September 2020, for the most part putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations fundamentally to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of vigorous blockchain innovation, the torrential slide network will go about as a huge power supporter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, as an impetus to empower fast-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment. Torrential slide will carry extremist change to back. Torrential slide biological system is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and instruments with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain designers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing shrewd agreements and other trend-setting innovation. A pivotal distinction between torrential slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration system. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. Torrential slide, the inborn potential. Without a doubt, the torrential slide blockchain has incredible potential and will quite often be the most appealing cryptographic money, essentially for its local token, Avax, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise the consistently dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the torrential slide digital money, arising as an incredibly powerful and lively power. Avax will be the pick and selection of brokers, particularly on the grounds that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found a component of dependability implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential slide, the people group and associations. The primary point of the torrential slide local area isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The torrential slide local area is humming about its achievements and gigantic commitment, particularly after torrential slide opened Denali testnet. It approved the force of torrential slide agreement and light engineering that offers more impartial investment rather than costly equipment, being recorded on famous computerized money trades like Coinbase and Binance. Avax offers its merchants a protected and trustworthy stage, empowering lesser charges and a plenty of advanced resources for single out from. Torrential slide stage has likewise marked a settlement with different environments like Chainlink, Bilira, and so forth, taking its forceful innovative drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to fabricate a helpful local area around the world, in this way making an equivalent, maintainable, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further advancements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Dealers and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the torrential slide establishment has additionally sent off Multiverse. This new motivator program will uphold new biological systems, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has additionally held hands with Avax to construct items for NFT merchants and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. Finally, one of the greatest incorporation is that of Chainlink attendance and Chainlink YRF coordinating with the essential torrential slide organization. This incorporation will be really useful for the token as it will diminish the responsibility and improve the uptime and security of the shrewd agreements. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. In light of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the Avax coin might have least and most extreme costs of $42 and $55 separately. The adjustment of the cost is supposed to be around 30.95%, with a typical cost of $48.50. Torrential slide value forecast 2024. As per torrential slide cost forecast, it is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $60 to $73, where $60 is the base exchanging cost and $73 is the greatest cost, simultaneously. There are a couple of presumptions that the Avax coin might have a typical cost of $66.50. Torrential slide value forecast 2025. The torrential slide coin is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $72 and $89 separately, according to our Avax cost expectation 2025. while the typical cost may be $80.50, with a rate change of 23.61%. Torrential slide value expectation 2026. According to our AVAX cost expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $82.50, with a base and most extreme cost of $80 and $85 individually for the year 2026. The instability of the torrential slide cost is supposed to be very less, with a rate change of 6.25%, according to our cost forecast. Torrential slide crypto value forecast 2027. In view of the AVAX cost expectation, our specialists propose that the torrential slide cryptographic money might exchange a scope of $91 and $101 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the most extreme. While the typical exchanging cost of torrential slide might be $96, torrential slide crypto forecast 2028. Our AVAX cost gauge for the year 2028 recommends that the coin's typical cost might be $126, while the base and greatest costs might be around $111 and $141 separately. Simultaneously, the torrential slide specialized investigation uncovers that the rate change might be 27.02%. Torrential slide coin value forecast 2029. From our AVAX cost expectation, we can infer that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $152.50 for the year 2029, while the least and most exorbitant cost of the AVAX token for the year might be $145 and $160 individually. AVAX value forecast 2030. By 2030, our torrential slide cost estimate shows that the expected high of the coin might be $185, with a possible low of $162 in the crypto market. The definite torrential slide cost investigation uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $173. Torrential slide value forecast, market feeling. The market opinions administer cryptographic forms of money. Thus, AVAX is no exemption. In view of verifiable information and specialized examination, there are many hypotheses proceeding for the torrential slide coin. All specialists have different torrential slide expectations to make through and through. In light of a VAX cost figure, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost guess for long-term end is $1.36. They accept that your ongoing speculation might be depreciated from now on. As per their AVAX coin cost forecast, the cost could stretch around $44.14 by 2023 and $81.11 toward the finish of 2025. The torrential slide cost expectation brings expect merging patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for the AVAX value that might show a higher feeling. The cost could cross $126.92 toward 1 year's end. Toward the start of 2022, the torrential slide cost was around $112. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $18.43, which shows that the cost fell has been intense. The anticipated torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2022 is $23